US Mobile makes adding a second line or family line straightforward. It allows you to manage multiple devices under one account, sharing data, minutes, and texts. As of September 2025, the process is primarily handled through their app and website. You can add up to 10 lines per account. To start, download the US Mobile app or log into the website. Navigate to the Account section and select Add a Line. Then choose Family Line or Secondary Line based on your needs. Note that lines must be on the same plan type. For example, you can't mix an unlimited data plan with a limited data plan. Adding a line typically costs an additional $10 to $15 per month, varying by plan tier. Once you've selected Add a Line, enter the necessary details such as the name, device information, and preferred phone number for the new line. You can port a number from another carrier during this step if needed. Next, choose a plan for the new line and confirm your payment. US Mobile offers instant activation if the device is already on their network. If not, you'll need to activate the SIM card, either physical or eSIM. eSIM activation has become standard, reducing delays. After activation, test connectivity. Finally, set up additional features such as data sharing and parental controls via the app. Keep in mind that security enhancements like two-factor authentication are now mandatory for line additions. Also, credit checks may be required for new users. If you encounter any issues, customer support is available via chat or phone.